When I was a small child, I was always wondered what are those points of light in the night sky and why they only appear in the night and why not in the day. After a long time, I knew that they are called stars and they are billions and billions of kilometers away from us. And do you know that the astronomical distance, which means the distance between two objects in space, is not calculated in kilometers, it's calculated in light years. A light year is equal to a distance travelled by light or a photon in an year. As light travels at a speed of 299,792,455 meters per second, which is approximately 3 lakh kilometers per second. So that's a lot of speed. So a light year is equal to 9.74 trillion kilometers. Yeah. So our topic today was stars, right? So let's begin. A star is an astronomical object consisting of a luminous spheroid of plasma held together by its own gravity. If you didn't understand that, yeah, star is a big giant ball of fire. You know that the nearest star to the earth is the sun, and we can see many stars in the night sky appearing as a point of light because of the immense distance from us. Stars helps a civilization if there is any except ours in many ways, such as providing light and energy for life. Stars form due to the accumulation of gas and dust, which collapse due to gravity and stars forming a star. Without this gas and dust, star could not form. This region of gas and dust is known as molecular cloud. A molecular cloud contains of atoms and molecules. Atoms are small building blocks of matter all around us. Molecules consist of more than one atom. Mainly, molecular cloud contains molecules like hydrogen, some helium, water, and methanol. By this dust and gas, a star's core, inner core, outer core, and after that its layers are formed. By the remaining dust and gas and rocks, different planets and asteroids like our Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Mercury are formed. Stars have a large amount of hydrogen present in them which serves them as the fuel. Stars which are huge have massive gravities. With the help of this gravity and pressure, stars squeeze the hydrogen atoms and fuse them into helium. In this process, a lot of energy is produced. This energy travels from the core to the surface of the star and stabilizes the star by opposing its gravity. This energy by the star is released in the form of light, heat and radiation, which we use in our homes to generate electricity using solar panels. And do you know that the light which is emitted by sun takes 8 minutes or more to reach Earth because of the immense distance between sun and Earth. There are many star classification systems in use today. However, the Morgan-Canaan system is the easiest to understand. Stars are classified in the system using letters O, B, A, F, G, K and M. They are classified based on the temperature. The hottest is O and the coolest is F. The temperature of each spectral class, which means the letter which I read earlier, is then subdivided by adding a number. 0 stands for the hottest, while 9 for the coolest. There are 9 types of stars that I know. Yellow dwarfs, orange dwarfs, blue stars, red dwarfs, red giants, red supergiants, white dwarfs, neutron stars and brown dwarfs. And do you know that I'll be making 2 separate videos on neutron stars and brown dwarfs in the future because they deserve their own video. Uses of stars. Stars help us in navigating distances. In ancient time, people used to take help of the stars to travel from place to place and often when they are lost. Stars helped us to know about our universe and think about it. Every bit of information regarding universe first was we first found out about stars. to make energy from a star? Dyson sphere. You know that stars produce light and radiation and they emit it. So we can use this light and radiation to make electricity with solar panels on Earth. But to obtain all the energy from a star, we should make a mega structure called Dyson sphere, which was first proposed by a person named Freeman Dyson. If you want to know more about Dyson sphere, I have linked the video in the description. Please check it out. Star is the most important thing for everyone. It gives light, energy, growth, etc. At last, star is a big giant ball of fire which has a massive amount of gravity. Star is the most important thing for a civilization like ours, which wants to expand and grow. By the way, it's the most important thing to any civilization in the way that it has to harness its energy by Dyson sphere or just worship it like a god. Thank you guys for watching this video. In future, I will be making a series of videos on different types of space agencies in the world. Thank you, stay home, stay safe.